Hello students, today we shall learn about Lenz law. Well, this is related to electromagnetic induction and it is a sort of additional work for the Faraday law for electromagnetic induction. Well, here you see that what is Lenz law? Lenz law says that electromagnetic induction, that is EMF produced by a body due to change in magnetic flux associated with it, is always such that the electromagnetic induction producing EMF is always such that EMF opposes the cause producing it. What do you mean by the cause? What is the cause? Cause is that you are bringing a magnet close to the coil or carrying it away from the coil. Let us take this case, the first figure, as we have taken in case of Faraday's law. We are bringing the north pole closer towards the coil. So what is happening? There are magnetic field lines emitted by the magnet north pole, and that is directed from right direction towards left. So more the magnet is approaching the coil, greater is the number of magnetic field lines directed from right to left is getting associated with the coil. Means more number of magnetic field lines are getting associated with the coil, which is directed from right to left. When the magnet is brought closer, the north pole of the magnet is brought closer to the coil. This is the change. This is the cause producing EMF. So EMF will be such that it opposes the cause. What is the cause? Cause is that there is increase in magnetic field lines directed from right to left associated with the coil. So then the EMF produced in the coil will be such that it will undo the cause. It will try to undo the cause, and cause is increase in magnetic field lines directed from right to left. So that means it will try to produce magnetic field lines which is directed from left to right, so that the cause is opposed. Now how could this be possible? If the EMF is developed in the coil and that is short circuited, means current is allowed to flow through the coil, then the direction of current should be such that it may produce magnetic field lines directed from left to right. And how is it possible? It is possible only when the right face of the coil starts acting like a north pole. So that means north pole will start releasing magnetic field lines from left to right, and therefore it will oppose the cause. Cause is increase in magnetic field lines from right to left. So it is opposing it by producing magnetic field lines from left to right. In another sense, you can also see that as this face, right face of the coil, starts behaving like a north pole, and north pole is approaching the north pole, that means this will cause a repulsive force. So mechanically, literally, this happens when you bring the north pole close to the coil and the current is allowed to flow through the coil when short circuited. Then you will feel an opposition to the motion of bar magnet when it is brought closer to the coil. If you have no motion, there is no repulsive force. But the moment you start bringing the north pole closer to the coil and the current is allowed to pass through the coil due to EMF induced in the coil, then the repulsive force starts acting on the north pole, and this is where we need to do some work against this repulsive force. And that means we have done some work, and for that work done we are getting some energy in the form of EMF. And so here you can understand that Lenz law is directly or indirectly related to work energy theorem. You have to do some work in bringing the north pole close to the coil, and in that, and for that you get some energy, electrical energy equivalently. So therefore this is the case of first figure 1. But if we consider another figure 2 in which we are carrying the North Pole away from the coil. In that case, what happens? The magnetic field lines directed from right to left is decreasing associated with the coil. The magnetic field lines directed from right to left is decreasing, and therefore the EMF when short circuited will produce a current such that it opposes the cause. And what is the cause? Cause is that decrease in magnetic field lines directed from right to left. So it will try to produce magnetic field lines from right to left. It will produce, because you are reducing the magnetic field lines from directed from right to left. So this coil will now behave like differently, and it's this face, right face, will start behaving like a south pole, and that means it will produce magnetic field lines directed from right to left. So that means what happens? Again it opposes the cause, it opposes the change. What is the change? Change is that there is decrease in magnetic field lines directed from right to left. So it is compensating it by producing it in the same direction. So that means it is again opposing the cause. Now if you talk in terms of mechanical terms, what you see that this face behaves like a right face of the coil starts behaving like a south pole, and north pole is close to it, so it will attract the north pole. That means you need to do some work against this force of attraction, and therefore again you have to do some work in maintaining the motion of the magnet, and that work done is converted in the form of electrical energy in the coil. So that's why we have already discussed while talking about the Faraday's law, but we haven't talked in terms of north pole and south pole in terms of magnetic field lines. And so here we have discussed in details about these things. You see, this concept is very important, and the minus sign is indicating that EMF induced is always such that it opposes the opposes the cause, that is change in magnetic flux. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.